If you have been wanting to access Canva Pro but don't want to spend money right away, you will be glad to know there are several ways to get it for free. Whether you're looking for a trial, alternative free options, or specialized access for educators and nonprofits, I will walk you through all the options in detail. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to get the most out of Canva Pro without breaking the bank. Number 1 is 30-day free trial. The simplest and most straightforward way to try Canva Pro for free is through their 30-day free trial. To access it, just Google Canva Pro and the official trial page will be there. Look for a purple button that says Start Your Free Trial. Signing up is quick and easy. All you need is an email address and a payment method to activate the trial. You don't really have to attach your own bank account. All you need is to open a PayPal account and you don't have to add any money in it. And don't worry, you won't be charged during the trial period as long as you cancel before it ends. This is a great opportunity to explore Canva Pro premium features, including access to millions of premium stock photos, videos, and graphics, the ability to resize designs with one click, downloading designs with transparent backgrounds, exclusive templates for everything from social media posts to business representations. During the trial, you can use these features to create projects and decide if Canva Pro is worth investing in. If you are managing a small business, a side hustle, or even just upgrading personal designs, this trial is the perfect way to get started. Number 2 is use free alternatives. If you are hesitant to commit to Canva Pro, there are free alternatives that provide professional level design tools. One of the best options is Figma. It is a powerful design platform often used by professionals for social media graphics, UI, UX designs, and presentations. I have personally used Figma for a variety of my projects, and many professionals do. Figma is entirely free to use, with no limits on the number of projects you can create. Even though its interface and features differ from Canva, it offers unique tools like collaborative design in real time and vector editing. It is worth checking out if you're open to learning a slightly different platform. And for that, just go to YouTube and search for Figma tutorials. You will find tons and tons of videos about that specific topic. Number 3 is Canva for education. If you're a student or a teacher, Canva offers an incredible opportunity to access Canva Pro for free through its Canva for Education program. This version of Canva Pro is specifically designed for educators and students, making it an excellent tool for creating educational materials, assignments, and presentations. To get started, go to Canva for Education page. You will need to verify your eligibility by providing proof of your school or education affiliation. If you are a student, all you need is your student ID and the specific university. If your school isn't already verified, a teacher or an administrator can apply to get the school approved, and once verified, all students and teachers at the school can use Canva Pro for free. Canva for Education includes everything in Canva Pro, plus additional resources tailored to educational use, such as pre-made lesson plan templates, tools for collaboration between students and teachers, and integration with platforms like Google Classroom. If you are a student or a teacher, this program is a no-brainer. It provides access to premium features without the cost, helping you create professional-looking designs for your academic needs. And lastly, Canva for nonprofits. If you are part of a nonprofit organization, you can also use Canva Pro for free through Canva's nonprofit program. This initiative supports organizations worldwide by providing them with the tools they need to create impactful designs at no cost. To apply, you also have to go to Canva for Nonprofits page. You need to submit an application and provide documentation proving your nonprofit status. Once approved, your team can start using Canva Pro immediately. With Canva Pro for Nonprofits, you'll gain access to tools that can help you organize and create eye-catching social media campaigns, fundraising materials, and professional presentations and reports. Currently, over 500,000 nonprofit teams are benefiting from this program. If you don't want to explore any of those methods, then just go for Canva free version first. Before diving into Canva Pro, it is worth exploring Canva free version. The free plan includes a wide range of templates, fonts, and design tools, making it perfect for beginners or those with basic design needs. While it doesn't include all the premium features, the free version is more than enough for social media graphics, simple presentation, and basic photo editing. And those are the methods that you can use. We have finally come to the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Also share it with your family and friends.